Hello, and thanks for coming again to listen to some music from my cottage here on the west coast of Ireland. I want to say to everyone, thank you so much this last year, all your support, the kind messages that I've gotten, and just could not have believed at the beginning of first lockdown this time last year, sharing these videos like this, that it would be reaching the hearts of millions of people around the world. So thank you, and thank you for your continued support. So as we come out of lockdown this next few weeks in Ireland, and we can see hope for the future, I want to continue sharing music like this to uplift our spirits. And the music today I want to share is by my favourite Irish composer, Turlough O'Carolan, who was born about 350 years ago in the east of Ireland, but like me, he came to settle in the west in later life. And the piece I'm going to play for you is called Beg Sí Mór, so I hope you enjoy.